Good evening and welcome back to another beer review. I'm Ben the Beer Lad, and today I'm going to be doing a Farmyard Ales. This is an old beer, well, old. I've had this in my cupboard for a couple of years. This is Impish or Admirable. This is the barrel aged Imperial Stout at 11%, and this is the Islay aged. This one I picked up 2 years ago for £6. I remember this specifically, and there were four of these, and I only got the one because I was stupid enough to pick up one instead of all four at the time, and came back about a week later, all gone. Unfortunately, I wanted to get them all and try them all. It was my own fault, but I've got one. The only reason I'm doing it now is because it's past its best before date, which was the 25th of November 21, which is almost a month ago. And it was packaged on the 25th of November 2019, so it's 2 years old. Look at that. Wax sealed, the lot. It's just been sat in my cupboard. I've been waiting for a good time to drink it. I thought, it's past its date. Let's have a look. Let's give it a go. No can art really. It just looks like smoke. And the guff on the side says Imperial or Admirable. Impish or Admirable, sorry, is an Imperial Stout with plenty of clout. We split the brew into 4 parts, aging 3 of them in different barrels to obtain different flavour profiles for each. This particular bottle contains the stout in our stout we aged in our Islay whiskey barrels, and it was brewed inside, brewed inside Farmyard, which are from Cockerham. Anyway, they're in Lancaster, which is not too far from here. Yeah. Anyway, all that is there on the side. Let me focus my camera. Focus my camera. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, there it goes. Just as I pulled it away. This is not a vegan beer for some reason. Don't know why. But with all that said, let's crack it open and see what we've got. I've been looking forward to this for 2 years. You might have to give me a second. It's all wax sealed. I can't. There it goes. Just gonna have to pop it off with one. Look at that. That's proper done, that, innit? Oh, there it goes. Oh well, I'll leave it like that. That's the lid. Right. There is floaters in this. I could see them through the bottle before I decided to do it. Right. So leave that there. So we've got jet black beer, but depending on the light, there's this nice ruby colour right under the bottom. It looks lovely. It looks like Coke or Pepsi or Dandelion and Burdock. There is lacing in the glass. Nice alcohol ring. It's right at the top though. I'm not going to really risk it. It looks lovely. Let's get a smell, shall we? See what we get. Oh my god. There's whiskey in that. Oh, smoked wood. Wood, smoke, whiskey, booze. That smells lovely. That smells gorgeous. Let's get a mouthful of body and carb. Carbonation is so fine, it's almost non-existent. Body is medium to full. It's really oily, velvety, just coats the entire palate. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's get a big old taste, shall we? Cheers. That's lovely. Lovely. Oh, that's brilliant. it's boozy, but not overly boozy that it burns, and it's just that nice warming feeling, perfect for winter. It's freezing outside. Booze covers your tongue, starts to get the back of your throat. Gorgeous flavour. You've got smoked wood, whiskey, burnt sugar, nothing too over the top, but a nice little sweetness to it. Licorice, roasted malts. Oh, it's really dark, really savoury, really. It tastes like a main meal. Tastes like a something you'd order from a restaurant, a big portion of food, main meal type drink. It's savoury. It's gorgeous. That's lovely. Let's see if I can get the. There you go. You can kind of see it. I can swirl my glass. There you go. Anyway, it's got a lace in 11%. That is beautiful, beautifully done. I would pour the bottle in, but it's not enough, and I don't want to drink it just to show. But there were, when I pulled it out, floaters just all along this. Probably because it's been sat in my cupboard. It's just been sat there for 2 years, not doing anything, just aging, getting better. I kind of wish I bought two. Did one then, or drank one then, tried this one, but you can't get better than this. This is top level quality stuff. I think with that, I'm gonna go away and enjoy it. It's gorgeous. I can't say enough good things. It's been done well. I don't do enough farmyard ales on this channel, and I want to, but the stuff's hit and miss with me. But this stuff, they know what they're doing with. So anyway, farmyard ales, Impish or Admirable, the Islay whiskey edition. Is it? Yeah, Islay aged whiskey, barrel aged Imperial Stout. Out of 10, I'm gonna give that the full marks. That's getting a perfect 10. I think that is beautiful. It's gorgeous beer. It's lovely. Yeah, 10 out of 10. So if you've had this, please let me know. Let me know what you think. If you like it, if you don't. If you've had any of the other three farmyard ales, or any of the other three, Impish or Admirable, please let me know. Let me know if they like. Which one was your favourite? I haven't tried them, unfortunately. I don't think I'll get the chance to now. But if you, yeah, let me know which one was your favourite, and let me know what they were barrel aged in, and all that stuff. If you've not had them, I think your chance to get them is gone. This is 2 years old, so you're definitely probably not going to find this on a shelf in any standard shop. If you're lucky to find one in a shop, well done, but you probably won't. But I'll leave farmyard ales down there in the links anyway, in case you want anything from them. If you like the video though, thumbs up, thumbs down, all that usual stuff. If you want to subscribe, consider doing so, because the show must go on, etc., etc., so on and so forth, and I'll see you later.